We're students studying civil engineering, and we're going to talk about structural bridges. A bridge is a structure built to span a valley, road, body of water, or another physical obstacle for the purpose of providing a passage over the obstacle. Designs of bridges vary depending on the function of the bridge, the nature of the terrain where the bridge is construction, the material used to make it, and the funds available to build it. There are 6 main types of bridges: beam bridges, cantilever bridges, arch bridges, suspension bridges, cabled stay bridges, and truss bridges. Bridges are used and designed for trains, pedestrian or road traffic, a pipeline or waterway for the water transport, or barge traffic. An aqueduct is a bridge that carries water, resembling viaduct, which is a bridge that connects points of equal height. A rail bridge carries both road and rail traffic. The structure of bridges may be classified by the forces of tensions, compression, bending, torsion, and shear are distributed through their structure. Most bridges will employ all of the principal forces to some degree, but only a few will predominate. The separation of forces may be quite clear. In a suspension or cable stayed span, the elements in tension are in shape and placement.
Bridge failures. The failure of bridges is of special concern for structural engineers in trying to learn lessons vital to bridge design, construction, and maintenance. Building materials. The traditional building materials for bridges are stone, timber, and steel, and more recently reinforced and prestressed concrete. For special elements, aluminum and its alloys and some types of plastics are used. These materials have different qualities of strength, workability, durability, and resistance against corrosion. They differ also in their structure, texture, and color, or in the possibilities of surface treatment with differing texture and color. These are the type of materials used for bridge: natural stone, artificial stones, clinker and brick, reinforced and prestressed concrete, steel and aluminum, and timber. Bridge maintenance. Maintenance of today's bridge infrastructure presents many challenges. Presently, only a limited number of accurate and economical techniques exist to test these structures for integrity and safety, as well as ensure that they meet original design specifications. No single technology can locate all physical anomalies in and below the concrete. These techniques, along with data fusion, and assist in the following investigations, to name a few: locating voids and delimitation in bridge pavements and score around bridge support columns, determining location and types of reinforcing steel in concrete, and ensuring quality control of new concrete installations.
Different techniques for the bridge maintenance. One of them is infrared thermography and ground penetrating radar. Infrared thermography and ground penetrating radar have been developed to locate voids and delaminations in concrete structures such as bridge, decks, highways, and airport pavements. Ground penetrating radar gives information valuable in determining such characteristics as target material, voids, fluids, soil, or backfill strata, and quantity of reinforcing steel present. Another technique is magnetometer. Magnetometers are instruments designed to locate various materials. It can detect iron-containing materials to a maximum depth of approximately 10 feet. This is useful for locating dowel pins or determining if reinforcing steel exists. And another technique is the pitchometer. This device is designed to specifically locate reinforcing steel in concrete and to assist in the determination of the size of the hidden reinforcing steel.